Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook chicken with Snoopy's. It's very simple dish again, okay? So we need black pepper, soy sauce, or oyster sauce, and then the Snoopy's, and then the chicken breast. I marinated with soy sauce, and then carrots, onions, and then garlic, and then spring onions. So first, saute the garlic. Add the chicken guys. Ang manok dali ra man ni siya maluto guys. So ato lang carrots of onion. Oyster sauce. Just a little water guys. Simmer this one until the chicken is cooked, okay? And then we'll be right back. Chicken is cooked, so we're gonna add the snoop or chicharo. Okay, the chicharo. So this is our chicken with chicharo. Okay, so okay guys, and then I'm going to garnish it. Okay, and then it's okay guys. I'm gonna taste it. It's yummy. Okay, I'm gonna taste the chicharo. Yummy and crunchy. Okay guys, so that's our, I'm gonna off the heat now. That's our chicken with chicharo or chicken with Snoopy's. It's super yummy, easy to make, and very simple. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. And please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja. To my Instagram, D_bro_ja. And to my TikTok at D Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.